Let's fill out the New Jersey ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling an ATV in this state, here's what you need to know to get your bill of sale right. First, the seller, meaning the vehicle owner, must appear in person. This isn't something you can handle remotely, so plan accordingly. When it comes to signatures, the bill of sale must be signed by the previous owner. Make sure that's taken care of before anyone drives away. Now, you will also need a notarized affidavit, specifically Form BA-62. So set aside some time to visit a notary and get that document properly completed. For the sale price, you'll need to record the actual amount paid for the vehicle. No estimates, no approximations, just the real number. Here's an important one. The odometer reading section requires the buyer's name and address to be included. So have that information ready when you fill things out. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.